So this is the iPhone 16 Pro. This is only the second iPhone I've bought in my lifetime. I guess about 3 years ago now, I bought the iPhone 13 Pro. That was the first iPhone that I had bought. I was typically an Android guy, but this is it. I mean, relatively, small box here. I said this is the Pro. So when you open it up, first thing you're gonna see there is you get the device. So 16 Pro, I went with the black titanium color. I like that kind of desert gold color, but honestly, I always wear cases on my phones, and black is going to be a nice neutral color for that. The gold I felt would clash with a lot of other cases I might use, so that's kind of why I went with this one. So if you pull this out here, this comes out. They basically have a little piece of paper covering up the screen here that you can peel off, and they kind of have everything labeled. Right here is the new camera button. Let me let you hear that here. So you can hear that is a clickable button. So I saw some things early on, people were reporting, oh, it's not an actual button, it's a button. You can click it and it, gives you that tactile click. It makes an audible click as you're clicking it as well. That's down here on the bottom. It feels okay for if you were holding it down here, even for portrait mode. I mean, it's a little of a stretch. You'd probably hold it up a little bit higher than I would like to. Part of the reason why I went with the Pro is because of kind of the sizing too. Using this with gimbals and as a content creator and stuff like that, and just holding it, this is a lot easier holding it like that. And definitely if you go this way and you're using the button, it's right here. So otherwise looks very similar to kind of how the Pros have looked for years now. The thing that's right underneath then is this charging cable. You can see right here. The other big thing is I'm coming from the 13 Pro with the lightning cable. This is going to be Type-C, so honestly it's a lot easier. I've got a MacBook, so now I can use Type-C for both of those. If you open this up, this is a nice braided charging cable, white braided, as you can kind of see there. So Type-C to Type-C is what they give you. So you do not get, though, any brick to use with this. So you got to have your own brick. It's kind of annoying. Can go into my MacBook, as I said, easily, but you gotta still get your own brick. So that's it so far. Right now, this is all we've got left in the case. So we pull this out. Looks like this is essentially our manual. It talks about warranty there and stuff. And that is it. You get, a cable, you get your phone, you get a manual. That's it. So there's not even any other stickers in here. I know they say a lot of this stuff is for eco reasons, but honestly, it's probably cheaper too and everything. So luckily I have a couple other bricks that I can just stick this cable right into. I'll put those in the comments and description if you're looking for a brick. There's a couple of good options out there that are either just Type-C like this, or I've got one that's Type-C and has a full-size USB on it, so you could use it for multiple things. I'm going to be doing a ton of videos on this, guys. I have a lot of cases coming for this, and I'm a full-time content creator. I'm going to be testing out the video on this, especially that slow-mo I'm really looking forward to. So make sure to subscribe for the upcoming videos around the iPhone 16 Pro. Please leave a like if you found this helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.